Welcome back to the channel Jamaican Roads. Today we're in Maypen and we're going to look at the Rio Mino Bridge, which is going to be the largest or the widest bridge in Jamaica. And this is the bridge ahead. It's going to be 4 lanes and it's going to connect the PJ Patterson Highway to the new highway that's being built from Maypen to Williamsfield in Manchester. So basically the highway, you're going to have a highway from Kingston all the way to Williamsfield, but the highway currently stops in Maypen. So this is where the Maypen to Mandeville section will start. And this bridge, the Rio Mino Bridge, is going to, when completed, is going to be the largest bridge in Jamaica in terms of width. It's going to be 4 lanes. Alright, we're going to take a look underneath the bridge so you can get an idea of what it looks like. So straight ahead where that roundabout is, that's where the existing highway ends, PJ Patterson Highway. And at this bridge is where the two highways are going to connect. I'm not sure if this new section of the road will be called the PJ Patterson Highway or this section is going to have a new name. If anybody knows, you can leave a message in the section below. Alright, we're quickly going to drive underneath the bridge so you can get a look at it.